All right, we have another case from Humix, this time for the iPhone 14 Pro. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And this time, we have a case from Humix. Now, without further ado, this is how their packaging looks. A very generic style packaging. As you can see, it shows like a iPhone silhouette and a Galaxy silhouette there, so it's very generic. But what's not generic is their cases. Their cases absolutely look and feel premium. Now we have this beautiful case from Humix here. It is like a frosted back, soft touch material on this back, soft TPU on the edges, hard plastic shell on the back. Let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at that, very snug fit. You do have lip protection there all around the front. Even with a tempered glass screen protector, you do have lip protection, and you have the same style of lip protection around the camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down or on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch your camera lens nor your screen. Now you do have MagSafe here, so this is MagSafe compatible, and it does stick very well. Magnet is pretty strong. This is a stock iPhone charger, and you can see it's stuck really relatively pretty strong. And this is gonna wirelessly charge through the case as well. No issues with it wireless charging through the case. As you can see, it wirelessly charged. I didn't have the MagSafe connected, so I had to get my other charger there. And the buttons are 100% covered. The Siri power button and volume rocker are textured but nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible, and the cutout are nice and precise. Plenty of room there for a third-party charger cable if you need to plug in. But there you have it, guys. This is a Humix case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I believe they have it for all iPhone 14 series models. It does have drop protection, adds slim to no bulk. As you can see, very nice slim profile, very protective case, soft to the touch, MagSafe compatible, wireless compatible. You can't go wrong with this case. If you have any questions regarding this Humix case, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.